And in our top business story, the UAE Banks Federation has launched a new initiative to support small and medium enterprises that are experiencing loan repayment difficulties, offering up to 90 days grace period for restructuring. At a press conference, His Excellency Abdulaziz Al Khurair, the chairman of UAE Banks Federation, described the new initiative as modus operandi, aimed at offering to medium-sized enterprises that have borrowed 50 million dirhams or more and have shown signs of financial stress. As part of the measure, the Federation, which represents 49 banks across the country, will play a role of a remedial credit coordinator to receive notifications from banks of those customers who have skipped their payments. As per the plans, the modus operandi will take into effect 15 days from the first meeting of lenders, which will assess the corporate customer and offer a grace period of up to 90 days. Commenting on the initiative, the representatives of the Federation stated that the initiative is aimed at bringing the banks together and support the economy. Without revealing the number of companies willing to join the initiative, His Excellency Al Khurair added that as part of their assessment, over 60% of customers facing financial stress are trading companies belonging from wholesale food and commodities industries. Describing it as a mini-insolvency law, it was added that the modus operandi is open to businesses from all sectors, apart from retail, and it is a better solution for SMEs rather than an immediate legal action.
For customers who have a 50 million borrowing and above, the UBF will only coordinate to call for the banks first time. Customers have the right to send us email, call us, asking for help. We'll call the banks concerned, we'll put them together, and we'll hand over to the largest exposed bank. He will become the chair of that mini committee, and it's up to them to manage that structure. This program is extended for all industry. But what we have noticed last year, people who have done oil trading, they got stressed because oil prices have collapsed. And if you have had stock of oil bought at $100, now it's $40, you're in trouble. And food commodity, wholesale food commodity, also we have seen that food commodity have also collapsed. So these sectors shown maximum stress, but of course other sectors also have shown some stress, but not as much as these two sectors.
Abu Dhabi's Tourism and Culture Authority has revealed that it is leading a delegation of hotels and travel agents from the Emirate to China next week, visiting 5 major cities with a roadshow. The visit aims to showcase Abu Dhabi's tourism offerings to China and to reinforce the existing growth of inbound tourism from the People's Republic. The delegation, which also includes representatives from Etihad Airways, will visit Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, Guangzhou and Hong Kong over 5 days from March 28. Also aiming at boosting tourism from China is Ras Al Khaimah's Tourism Development Authority, which hosted a workshop for travel industry experts last week to offer a better understanding of Chinese tourist needs. The event came in response to a growing number of Chinese visitors to Ras Al Khaimah and discussed China's current and future outbound tourism developments. In 2015, Ras Al Khaimah saw an 82% increase in Chinese visitors compared to 2014, with the Emirates Tourism Board planning to raise the figures further. The Alef Group has awarded the construction of the 06 Mall project in Sharjah to OMIS Contracting earlier today in the presence of His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Sultan Al Qasimi, chairman of Alef Group. During the signing ceremony, His Highness Sheikh Khalid stated over the past years, the Emirate of Sharjah has witnessed significant urban and developmental progress, which has reinforced its position and has made it an attractive investment environment that possesses outstanding infrastructure. His Highness also explained that the 06 project is an advanced model of the new generation of malls, where the elements of modern innovative design are in harmony with Sharjah's rich architectural history. The project is located within a 5-kilometer radius from Sharjah University City, Sharjah International Airport, Dubai International Airport and high-end residential areas. It will be built on an overall area of approximately 37,000 square meters and will include advanced leisure and service facilities, an 8-screen cinema complex, including the largest IMAX in the UAE. The shopping mall will also provide its visitors with a modern gym, a medical facility, a family entertainment center, a nursery and other vital facilities. Construction works in the mall have already been commenced and will be completed in April 2017.
The aim of the project is to improve and enhance the retail offering for the high residential areas in that region of Sharjah, and as well for the university students. This size of a mall is more directed to a focused community around within, let's say, 10-kilometer radius. And once we studied the market, we found a potential. When we looked into the quality survey, when we've done the qualitative survey, we also felt like there are a lot of things that you can get in and cater for this community. The difference is for a community, for a super regional mall, you have to drive and get there. This is something that brings a lot of interesting components of these super regional malls just next to your house or university.
Business leaders around the world feel most threatened by cyber attacks for a second year running, according to a new report by the US-based Business and Community Institute. The 5th annual BCI Horizon Scan report, produced in association with British Standards Institution, has revealed that business establishments in 6 out of the 8 regions surveyed globally consider cyber attacks as their top concern. It was stated that last year a number of high-profile businesses across the world were hit by cyber attacks, and there are concerns that businesses are still not utilizing the information available to them to identify and remedy weaknesses in their organizational structure. It was mentioned in the report that while every organization faces different risks throughout their lifetime, cyber attacks remains a top threat, followed by data breaches and unplanned IT and telecom outages. Other threats, according to the report, range from minor threats to large crises that can threaten a company's reputation. Advising businesses on risk management, BSI officials were quoted as saying that being prepared is critical for any organization, and having a comprehensive risk management system in place will minimize the impact on a company's reputation, business and brand. The report provides an insight into the top 10 threats facing businesses today and was compiled after assessing the business preparedness and resilience of professionals from 568 organizations worldwide.